I,
Maniram Brahmo, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will be that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as the executive member of the Oriental Council, and that I will do right to all manner of people, accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will.
I,
Panera Brahmo do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will not directly, indirectly communicate or reveal to any persons, any matter which shall be brought under the Constitution or shall become known to me as the executive member of Oriental Council, except my may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the executive member.